Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change or how to add your phone number to your Netflix account. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go and open your Netflix account. Of course, after opening your Netflix account, you just need to go and click on your avatar on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on Account. And here, as you can see, you will see all of your informations. And if you want to change your phone number, you need just to click on Change Phone Number option. And as you can see here, the app will show you your actual phone number. You just need to delete it and enter your new phone number and click on Next and confirm. That's it. But just a little information for you. Sometimes when you try to change your phone number, before looking to the screen and before entering to the screen, sometimes the app may ask you to confirm your identity by sending you an email with code of 6 numbers. You just need to enter it and then you will see the screen. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.